Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Cleaning your range hood can stop humming noises. Grease and dust buildup on the fan blades and motor cause resistance, making the motor work harder and hum louder. A thorough cleaning removes this buildup, letting the fan run smoothly and quietly. Next time your range hood hums, try cleaning it before spending money on repairs.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.